Oh, hello fellow window cleaners. I'm just about to show you how I use my squeegee. And it's a very nice squeegee. Look at it, very nice. Oh geez, it's a nice handle on that. Oh geez, you can really grip it too. Oh, really nice handle. So just look at it, beautiful. Oh, lovely. Anyway, I'll tell you what, I'll scrub this window here and I'll show you how I actually use this squeegee. Oh, jeez, I'm beside me, so I'll give it a scrub. Now look, oh, jeez, look how easy it is. Oh, geez. Look, I'm a window cleaner, Mum. Oh, look, I'll do it again. Yep. Yeah. See how easy? Oh man, oh, it's terrific. Here, look at this. Oh, too easy. I'll give it another go if you like. You watch me. Look how easy it is. I'm a window cleaner. Look at me. Anyway, I'll tell you what. It's the best squeegee I've used. Not that I've used that many, but anyway, I'll just show you one more time. Here, look. Look at, oh, terrific. I think I'm pretty good. What do you reckon? Anyway, I suppose, well, that's about it. And yeah, that's about it. Bye.